Look at all these sweet potato vines. We harvested our sweet potatoes today. These are kind of a pain to deal with, but guess who loves them? These girls love them. So just like humans can eat sweet potato vines, you can eat them raw or cooked, so can your girls. Hey girls, here we go. They love these. I didn't forget about you girls. There we go. So keep in mind when you're harvesting those sweet potatoes, don't let those vines go to waste. If you have chickens, give them to those girls. They love it.